Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this Cooler Master CM Storm Trigger mechanical gaming keyboard. Couple of things to note before getting into the box. This keyboard does come with gold-plated Cherry MX Brown switches that have a medium resistance and feel lighter when you are pressing on the keys. It also has 64 kilobyte of macro and keyboard profile memory and 5 fully programmable macro keys. It also comes with anti-ghosting 6-key rollover and the Storm Tactics Sentinel X memory for profile storage. And the Storm Tactics key also enables and disables the Windows key. Here's what comes in the box. You get your quick start guide, a note telling you to go to their website to update your applications and drivers, 6.5 feet of USB cable, and a wrist rest. I'm just going to quickly show you how to attach it onto your keyboard. Flip it over, match up the hooks, and just snap into place. Give me a quick moment. All right, here's what it looks like. And what's great about it is it's got a smooth rubberized finish like the rest of the keyboard. Here's a look at the keyboard, but let's flip it around first. We have some rubber pads here. So if you set this on a smooth surface, it'll stay in place, and some feet in case you wish to have it angled towards you. Over here, we have your 5-volt DC power port in case you decide to use your two USB 2.0 ports to plug in a mouse and a headset and you need more power. And here is your mini USB port. It is a standard QWERTY keyboard with a full number pad. And if you press and hold the Storm and Out macro key for 2 seconds, then you'll be able to create a macro on the fly. And here are your 5 macro keys. Here's a demo of the LED backlights. If you hold the Storm key down by pressing F1, you'll be able to turn on your LEDs. However, if you press F1 again, it will not turn it off unless you hold the Storm key. And for F4, you'll be able to go through the different modes, have the entire keyboard lit up, or have a pulsating effect. And finally, we have F2 and F3, which lightens your LEDs and brightens them. That wraps up our overview on this Cooler Master CM Storm Trigger mechanical gaming keyboard. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.